Now, this is a typical assumption method question that many students will use to guess and check, but actually it's way faster to employ the 5 steps assumption method. So let's get it on. Vincent spent $180 to buy a total of 20 watermelons and durians. So now immediately we have two totals. Total value, total items. Each watermelon costs $5 and each durian costs $15. Wow. How many durians did Vincent buy? Alright, so we can use the guess and check for this, or we can use assumption method. So since we are learning the assumption, it's a way more effective method to learn. Let's try and master this particular technique, okay? So first step, we have to assume the opposite. Now, for basic assumption method question, we assume that we don't have all durians. We assume all are opposite of durians. All are watermelons. Second step, once you do that, you can find this thing called a new total value. Okay, now imagine if all the 20 fruits are watermelons, definitely the total will not be 180, it will be something else. So you take 20 watermelons times each cost is $5 over here. $100, new total value. Now number 3, what we do is you find this thing called a big difference, or the difference in the total value. Alright, now this will be 180, take away $100. And you'll get $80 for the difference in total value. Number 4, you find the difference in each item, okay? Or this is what's known as a small difference, okay? So difference in each value. Now this will be $15, take away $5, which is $10, okay? And the final step will enable you to find your answer, number of durians. This is where you take the big difference, divide it by the small difference. So it's 80 divided by 10, and that will give you 8 durians for your answer here. Okay, so again, assume all are opposites first. So first step is an assumption that you got to make. Second step, you got to find a new total value, which is a multiplication. So that's a M, multiplication. Difference in total value, this is the big difference first. This is a subtraction, you can take it as a S. And then difference in each value, this is a small difference. Take it as another subtraction, right? And the last step is where you find the opposite of what you had initially. So you assume all are watermelons, at the end you will have durians. Now this is a division step. Alright, so this is a simple acronym that you can use to remember the steps in basic assumption method questions.